Hi, welcome. I'm Navani, Embedded Processor Marketing Manager at Xilinx, and today we're going to be talking about Spartan 6, our latest FPGA family. As a customer of Spartan 6 FPGAs, the key value that this provides is the flexibility. The fact that you can use a low-cost platform like this device and actually create a custom hardware with custom interfaces and add your own peripherals. So in this IDE, as you can see here, there are various peripherals that you can add to your system and customize it according to your needs. I'll just, for the sake of this demonstration, I'll demonstrate one key element, which is a user code that I already have. And this is a simple design that was put together. And what I'll do is I'll drag this into my embedded system. So what I've done is added this system into this hardware design. And let me connect it to this bus interface here. If I click this, now this peripheral, which is a DSP FAR filter. So it's a very simple 16-tap FIR filter to show you how to connect your custom block to this. I've connected it. Now in order to program and see, I need to have a software address map. So I go to this address map, click this generate addresses. Now I've added this to the software memory map, and I can program it in software. So what I'll do is open up our software ID again, and I have a simple program here. What it does is, since I have a FIR filter, I want to test it with some signal and also some noise and actually filter out the noise. So this software program, if you see here, has a signal array, which is a pre-created pseudo-random array of sine wave signal. And what we're also doing is we're adding some noise to it in software and providing it to this FIR filter for it to filter out. And in order to show some interaction with the board, like you might do in your own system, what we're doing is just looking for the general purpose input. And if there's some push button input, what we do is we increase the noise based on that. So that's the software program. Let me compile and run this. This is compiled already, so I'm just going to download and run it. So now that this is running on the hardware, what I'll do is I'll bring up a UI to visualize this input to see that the filtering is actually happening. So let me bring up our, this is a simple GUI that was created using LabVIEW to visualize the signal input. So I'll bring up the LabVIEW UI here. As you can see, it brings up what you see at the top is actually a noisy sine wave signal, and at the bottom you see the filtered sine wave. So what is actually happening is this is the original signal created by the software and inserted into the DSP FIR filter on the port, and the filter filters it out, the microblade system takes it back, and over the UART communicates the whole data back to the PC, and I'm seeing it in the LabVIEW UI. So what I'll do is by pressing this push button, if you can see on the interface on the PC, you can see that the noise level is increasing in this dial interface over here. So as I push this button again, the noise level increases. We can increase or decrease the noise level. So this is basically happening through the processor software interaction, and the DSP filter is filtering that out noise. So what we've demonstrated here is using this low-cost Spartan 6 FPGA family on this development platform. We've used the ISE design suite to create a processor system, download it. We've run some software code, modified it as an embedded software developer. We've used an IDE to run some software code. But in order to exploit the power of this flexible FPGA fabric, we've also created a DSP FIR filter, added it, modified it, and ran it through this interface to visualize this whole system. And we've shown that this system is functional. So the key elements that were covered were the SP601 development board with the Spartan 6 silicon, and the ISE Design Suite Embedded Edition that includes the Platform Studio tools and for hardware design, and the SDK tools for software design. So together all of these provides a great starting point and enables you to get started quickly. Today, our ISE Design Suite 11 Embedded Edition is available. You can download it for evaluation and start designing right away. And the development kits, including the boards, are available as well, and you can get started with hardware-based design as well. I hope you found this demonstration useful. Thanks for watching.